nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S. Divas.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A. So today's video is by HerGivenHair. And look at this beautiful 4-in-1 or all-in-one half wig. So first of all, it comes with combs. It also has combs in the back, an adjustable strap, and my favorite part, which is the elastic drawstring. So let me show you how your wig comes from HerGivenHair.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up.
So girl, let me tell y'all, before I even begin with installing this unit or just installing it, let's put it on, let's get it going. This is a middle part, all-in-one half wig, but you can definitely wear this to the side along with to the middle or to the opposite side. Now for one, this has a drawstring and you can wear this as a ponytail, a half wig, a whole wig, whatever your choice is. This is an amazing unit. The wefts in the front are very thin, so I was not too nervous about doing this wig. Now as you guys can see right here, my frontal part of my hair, my natural hair is very thin. I am suffering from hair loss and have been going to the doctor to figure this out why. But I was very nervous about doing this half wig because my hair is not as thick as it used to be in the front. So therefore, it's a little bit harder for me to conceal any type of half wig. But for this one by HerGivenHair, it's super easy. So as you see, I'm just wetting my hair. There is conditioner in that bottle. I do the same with my own natural hair, water and conditioner in the bottle so that way my hair doesn't break off or dry out. Now for my hair, it curls up really easy, but when it's already been in a straight state, all I need to do is spray some water and moisturizer on it and just twirl it around and it'll become curly like this unit. This unit is, I do believe, 16 inches and it is Burmese hair. I love this unit. I was not aware that I was going to really care for this unit the way I do. But girl, when I tell you it's easy and comfortable, it's easy and comfortable. So all I'm just doing is twirling my hair in the front to allow it to blend in with this half wig. Now I do want to apologize if you do see me chewing on my gum. I have had the worst case of dry mouth due to my partial denture implants or my partial dentures that I have just gotten about 3 to 4 weeks ago. So I'm still getting used to it and they're just drying my mouth out until I get used to it. So I have to either eat candy, peppermints, or chew on gum just to get rid of the issue with the dry mouth until I'm used to wearing these partials. But I just wanted to put that out there in case you guys are wondering why I'm chewing on the gum. So anyway, like I was saying, this unit is amazing. It fits well. The drawstring is definitely a plus. And the hair, oh my God, the hair is super duper soft. And this is something you can easily wear. I feel like those who suffer from very low or very thin hair, like myself in the front, will definitely be able to rock this half wig. But keep in mind, remember I said you could wear this as a full wig as well. So this is an all-in-one half wig. Now, I do use some of the Nairobi styling foam on my hair. This will definitely define my curls much better, and it will make it an easy blend, an easy blend to my hairline. Now, as you guys see, this unit is gorgeous. The curls are popping. This is everything. Now, what I'm also going to be doing right about now in this particular scene is I'm going to be filling in my hair. Now, as I stated to you guys, my hair is thinner in the front and in certain areas. So I do use this, which is Foldify. This is a hair filler fiber. There are so many different brands that do sell this now. You can look on Amazon and find this. If you look up hair filler fibers, you will see this. And there's plenty of different colors to choose from. The brand that I started off using many, many years ago was Topic, and I love that brand. This is the color in dark brown. It works out very well for me. As you guys can see, it conceals, it camouflages, and it allows my hair in the front to appear fuller versus when I don't use this. So I'm very, very happy with the outcome of this unit. I love HerGivenHair. They have natural hairstyles. The curls are juicy. It blended super well with my natural hair texture, which I was loving. And I'm crazy. It took me a minute just to actually want to do this video because I was kind of nervous. But as you can see, added a little bit of water with conditioner in it. Girl, these curls will be popping for days, okay? And I always suggest using some type of styling foam. My favorite is Nairobi because she's just thinner, she's affordable, and Nairobi is actually not too thick of a product to where it will mask your actual hair. So I will leave all the information down below for you guys. Make sure you thumbs this video up. Check out HerGivenHair. It's Christmas giving times. It is gift giving season, so make sure you check it out. Let me know what you think of this all-in-one half wig. I will link everything below. Thank you guys for tuning in. I love you. Stay safe, stay diva and divalicious. Happy holidays. I love you all, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
Where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know.